Okay, lesson 5.5, check for understanding problems. Number 1 says use the diagram in example 1. If side CY is congruent to side XY, explain why the measure of angle 4 is greater than the measure of angle 1. Well, here is our diagram from example 1. So they're saying if side CY was congruent to side XY. So first, I know that if CY is congruent to XY, then these angles across from them, so 1 and 3, would also be congruent by the isosceles triangle theorem. So remember that said if two of the sides are congruent, then we know the two angles are congruent. So angle 1 and angle 3 must be acute because a triangle can't have two right or obtuse angles. Or it's going to add up to more than 180. Then if you look back up here, angles 1 and 4 make a straight line. So those are a linear pair. So if angle 1 is less than 90, angle 4 has to be greater than 90 to make up the other the rest of the 180 degrees. Therefore, the measure of angle 4 is greater than the measure of angle 1. Okay. Number 2 says list the angles of ABC in order from smallest to largest. So first I'm going to list the sides. We've got BC is 18 feet, then 21 feet for AB, and then 27 feet for AC. So since this is the smallest side, the angle across from it is the smallest angle, so that'd be angle A. 21, the angle across from 21 would be angle C. And that leaves 27, which is across from B. There we are, smallest to largest. Alright, can a triangle have sides with these lengths? So first, 2 plus 7 equals 9, which is not greater than 9. And if we look back, the triangle inequality theorem says the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. So it can't be equal to. So we're going to say no, 2 plus 7 is not greater than 9. Okay, then let's try this one. 4 plus 6, that's 10, that's greater than 9. 6 plus 9 is 15, which is greater than 4. And 4 plus 9 is 13, which is greater than 6. So yes, these can be sides of a triangle because the sum of any two angles is greater than the third side. And number 4. A triangle has a length of 3 inches and 12 inches. Describe the possible lengths for the other side. So 3 plus 12 has to be greater than the third side, C. 12 plus C has to be greater than 3. And 3 plus C has to be greater than 12. And I just picked C, just random. So this is 15 is greater than C. So C has to be less than 15. If we subtract this, c is greater than negative 9. And if we subtract this, c is less than, oops, had this sign backwards. Sorry guys, should be greater than 12. So if we subtract that, c is greater than 9. Okay, so it can't be a negative because distances can't be negative. So c has to be less than 15 and greater than 9. Because that will make the triangle inequality work. There we are. Okay, go ahead and make sure you got the homework done. If you have any questions, let me know, and good luck.